Next part, now we are discussing simple microscope, which is also known as sometimes as a reading glass. So convex lens of very small focal length, when held close to eye, it behave as a simple microscope. Working principle: when final image is obtained at least distance of distinct vision. So if an object is placed in between first principal focus and the optical center of a lens, a virtual, erect and a magnified image of the object is formed on the same side of the lens, and adjusting the distance of the object from the optical center, the final image can be formed at the least distance of distinct vision. We can define its magnifying power as the ratio of the angle subtended by the image and the object at the eye when both are present at the least distance of distinct vision. So in the figure, AB is the object for which A dash B dash is the final virtual but erect magnified image formed on the same side of the lens. So the image is subtending an angle beta at the eye, which is angle A dash, O and B dash. When we shift object AB at least distance of distinct vision, that is at 2f1, which is A double dash B dash, then it subtend an angle alpha, which is A double dash O B dash. In that case, the magnifying power m, it will be equal to ratio of beta and alpha. Now because angles are very small, so using assumptions we can replace them with their corresponding tangents. That is, beta will be replaced with tan beta, alpha will be replaced with the tan alpha. Now from figure, if we find the value of tan beta and tan alpha, we have tan beta equal to, in the right angle triangle ABO, tan beta will be AB over OB, and in right angle triangle A double dash B dash O, tan alpha will be A double dash B dash over OB dash. Now AB and A double dash B dash, they are same, so we can write it as AB over OB into OB dash over AB, because AB is same as that of A double dash B dash. So AB and AB get cancelled, M becomes equal to OB dash over OB. So if we substitute the values of these according to the sign conventions, OB dash is the image distance V, which will be equal to minus t, measured opposite to direction of incident light, and OB is the object distance, which will be equal to minus u. So M is equal to d by u. In order to connect it with the focal length of the lens, we use the thin lens equation. Lens equation is 1 by V minus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. Now here u is equal to minus u, objective distance is minus u, v is equal to minus d. So if we use these in the lens equation, we have minus 1 by d plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. From here, if we get the value of 1 by u, 1 by u will be equal to 1 over f plus 1 by D. Multiply both sides with D. We have D by U equal to D by F plus 1, or from equation 1 M will be equal to 1 plus D by F. This is the formula for the linear magnification. From this we see that smaller the focal length, greater will be its magnifying power. Second case, when final image is formed at infinity. If we place the object at the first principal focus of the convex lens, then a highly magnified image of the object will be formed at infinity. In this case, magnifying power will be the ratio of the angle subtended by the image formed at infinity at the eye to the angle subtended by the object at the eye when the object will be placed at the least distance of distinct vision. That is, m will be equal to beta over alpha. So in this figure, angle POQ, this angle will be the angle beta, which is the angle formed by the image at the eye when image is formed at infinity. Again, using the assumptions, angles are very small, so we can replace them with their tangents, so it will be equal to tan beta and tan alpha. From figure, in triangle POQ, tan beta, it will be equal to PQ over OQ divided by tan alpha. In triangle P dash Q dash O, tan alpha will be equal to P dash Q dash over OQ dash. As P dash Q dash is just the object shifted to the least distance or distinct vision so as its angle can be measured. So PQ and P dash Q dash are same, so they will cancel out each other. So M, it will be equal to OQ dash over OQ. Now OQ dash is the position of the object according to sign convention. It will be equal to minus D. OQ is the position of the object at the principal focus, so it will be equal to minus F. Minus sign get cancelled. M is equal to D by F. So this will be the magnifying power when final image is formed at infinity. So in this case, we see that the factor 1 is missing for the earlier case. So it will have a lesser magnifying power as compared to when final image is formed at least distance of distinct vision. But this view, it will be much more comfortable than the earlier case when final image was formed at least distance of distinct vision. Reason, when final image is formed at least distance of distinct vision, the eye muscles are under maximum tension, due to which a maximum amount of strain is felt in the eye, so we cannot observe the image for long interval. But when final image is formed at infinity, we can observe the image for a long interval of time, so we call it as a relaxed eye view. Thank you.